Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is one of my most exciting pours. I started off trying an experiment and it worked so well. I got pretty confident and just went crazy. I just let loose and started experimenting with all sorts of things that I had been meaning to try. Had a fantastic time doing it. Hopefully you also enjoy it as much as I did. Keep on watching. Today I'm going to be trying something a little different. I've never done it before. I don't think I've seen it done before. Obviously, somewhere in my subconscious, someone did something on one of these acrylic pour channels that I watch so obsessively, and something triggered in my head where I was like, I need to try this, which I have not seen live, but let me cut to the chase. My ultimate goal is that I'm actually working towards a pretty large canvas. It's a 48-inch by 24-inch rectangle for a bedroom for a friend. I guess you can say I've been commissioned to do a painting. But essentially, in order to do that, I want to do a flip cup for that canvas, but it's a pretty large canvas and I don't want to do multiple flip cups because the boundary between the flips always remains and I want one contiguous, it should be a contiguous flip cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for today, take an old plastic plate and I'm going to flip on this, and then I'm using an old canvas, painting over an old canvas. So what I'm going to try to do is kind of ease the flip into this and keep moving the plate so that the flip cup covers, and then when I run low, obviously on such a large canvas I'm going to need multiple cups. So when I run low, I'm going to flip it on this, more paint on this, so that as I'm sliding it down the canvas, it's going to be a contiguous. So I'm hoping it works. Wish me luck. If not, then I have to figure out some way of doing this without switching to a swipe. I have to figure this out because I definitely want to do a flip cup. I love the cells and the finish of the flip cup, and for this painting that's what's stuck in my head. So you know me, I'm gonna figure this out somehow or the other. Wish me luck. I decided to use 4 identical flip cups for this experiment, and oh, by the way, I did switch to a smaller plate because for the flip cups size that I selected, a large plate was definitely overkill. I specifically selected red, yellow and blue for this pour so that I wanted to see if the mixing into orange and green would happen when the red and yellow mixed and the blue and yellow mixed. So that's another thing I'm going to be looking for as I try this flip cup transfer. So a lot of the acrylic pour artists recommend that you torch at this stage of a flip cup, but I'm personally not a fan of that because when you do the torching, not only are the air bubbles gone, but you also get those magnificent cells. And then you have to tilt to stretch the paint, and those cells get distorted. So just for kicks, I kind of put the painting side by side before and after the torching. Also, I wanted to show you the yellow and the greens that showed up as I had expected. Overall, this just was perfect. There was no indication of where one flip cup had transferred versus the other. It was one seamless, contiguous acrylic pour, which is exactly what I wanted. So I am so thrilled to try this on the larger canvas. I'd kind of stretched my paint out where tilting any further was not possible. So here I started to experiment with, alright, if that happens to me and I'm not thrilled with the composition, how can I stretch the paint some more? So that's what I'm trying to experiment with here. I added Floetrol, I tried to swipe, and so yeah, just kind of playing around with it.